The most beautiful garden on my street does not belong to the house with the professional landscaping crew. It belongs to a woman named Ruth, who has not bought a new planter in 30 years. Her flowers spill out of old tin cans painted in shades of turquoise and coral. Her herbs grow in a wooden pallet propped against the fence. At dusk, mason jars with solar lights flicker along her walkway like something out of a cottage dream. Every single piece in her garden was free, or found, or salvaged from someone else's curb. Ruth understood something that the garden industry spends billions trying to make you forget. A stunning outdoor space has nothing to do with your budget, and everything to do with your creativity. Welcome to Timeless Gardening. Today we are walking through 15 cheap DIY ideas that will transform your garden into something beautiful using nothing but reused and repurposed materials. And if you want more ideas that treat your garden like a canvas instead of a bill, hit subscribe right now. We are building a community of growers who believe creativity beats a credit card every single time. Let us get into it. Idea number 1, tin can planters. This is the easiest garden idea you will ever try, and it costs nothing except the price of a can of paint if you want to add color. Every time you open a can of beans or tomatoes or soup, you are holding a future planter in your hand. Remove the label completely by soaking the can in warm soapy water. Punch 3 or 4 drainage holes in the bottom with a hammer and nail. This takes about 30 seconds. Now you have a decision to make. You can leave the galvanized metal bare for a rustic, industrial look that feels like a French farmhouse kitchen. Or you can paint the outside with outdoor spray paint in whatever color suits your patio. Bright turquoise, soft sage green, warm terracotta. A row of painted tin can planters on a windowsill or mounted to a fence with hose clamps looks like a designer garden installation that cost hundreds. Fill each can with potting soil and plant small herbs like basil, thyme or chives. The metal conducts warmth from the sun, which herbs love. They will grow faster in these cans than in plastic pots. This is a simple creative weekend project that turns trash into something genuinely beautiful. Group a collection of different sized cans together for a charming eclectic herb garden right outside your kitchen door. Idea number 2, the wooden pallet vertical garden. If you have a small space like a balcony or a narrow patio, vertical gardening is not optional. It is the only way to grow enough to matter. Wooden pallets are free. Drive behind any strip mall or industrial park, and you will see them stacked by loading docks. Ask permission before taking one, but most businesses are happy to have them gone. Stand the pallet upright and staple landscape fabric to the back and sides, creating a pocket that will hold soil. Fill the entire pallet with good quality potting mix, packing it down firmly. Then plant into the slat openings. Strawberries, lettuce, herbs and small flowers all thrive in a pallet garden. Lean it against a sunny fence or wall. Water it from the top and let gravity do the work. Within weeks, the entire structure becomes a lush vertical garden that looks like a living wall. This is a DIY project that transforms an empty corner into the most productive square footage on your property. It is eco-friendly, sustainable, and costs only what you spend on soil and plants. Idea number 3, the broken pot fairy garden. Every gardener has dropped a terracotta pot and watched it crack. Do not throw the pieces away. Lay the broken pot on its side in a shaded corner of your garden, or on your porch. The broken edge creates natural terraced levels that are perfect for a miniature landscape. Fill the levels with potting soil. Plant tiny ground covers, small ferns, or miniature succulents. Add a winding path of tiny pebbles. Place a small fairy house, or a miniature bench. The shards of the broken pot become retaining walls for each level, and the whole scene looks like a tiny hidden world that nature has reclaimed. This is the kind of whimsical garden feature that stops visitors in their tracks. Children are mesmerized by it. Adults smile and say they want one too. It costs nothing because you are using a pot you already broke. It takes a frustrating accident and turns it into the most charming corner of your entire garden. Idea number 4, mason jar lanterns. Evening light transforms a garden. It softens edges, creates mystery, and makes even the most modest space feel like a retreat. Mason jars are the simplest way to add that light without spending anything on expensive outdoor fixtures. Clean the jars thoroughly. Wrap wire around the neck to create a hanging loop. Drop in a solar light disc or a battery-operated tea light. Hang the jars from shepherd's hooks, tree branches, or along a fence line at different heights. When dusk falls, the jars glow like fireflies suspended in mid-air. The effect is magical. The cost is zero if you already have jars in your kitchen. This is a beautiful, simple idea that changes how you experience your garden after dark. String a dozen of them along a pathway, or cluster them over a seating area. The light they cast is soft and warm, and infinitely more flattering than a single bright porch bulb. Idea number 5. Wine bottle edging. If you drink wine or know someone who does, start saving the bottles. Green, brown, blue, clear. Every color works. Dig a shallow trench along the edge of a garden bed. Bury the bottles neck down, leaving the bottom third exposed. The glass catches sunlight during the day and glows softly at dusk when your garden lights hit it. The bottles create a permanent, weatherproof border that keeps grass from creeping into your beds and defines your garden spaces with a curve of color. His is one of those landscaping tricks that looks expensive and professional, but costs absolutely nothing except the time it takes to dig a trench. It is a clever way to reuse bottles that would otherwise end up in a recycling bin. A wine bottle border says this garden was designed by someone who sees beauty in ordinary things. For a truly stunning effect, mix different colored bottles together in a pattern. Idea number 6. Plastic bottle drip irrigation. This is the most practical idea on the entire list, and it solves one of the biggest frustrations of container gardening. Pots dry out fast in summer heat. A plastic bottle turned into a slow-release watering system keeps your plants hydrated even when you forget to water for a day or two. Take a clean plastic bottle, poke 4 or 5 small holes in the sides near the bottom, using a pin or a small nail. Bury the bottle upright in the soil next to a thirsty plant, leaving the top exposed. Fill the bottle with water and screw the cap back on loosely. The water seeps out slowly through the holes, delivering moisture directly to the roots where it is needed most. Refill the bottle every few days. This simple system cuts your watering time in half and keeps your container plants from wilting during heat waves. It costs nothing, and it works brilliantly. Idea number 7. The bicycle wheel trellis. Old bicycle wheels are surprisingly easy to find. Bike shops often have damaged wheels they cannot repair, and will give them away for free. Ask at your local shop. Take a wheel and mount it to a sturdy post or attach it directly to a fence. The spokes create a natural climbing frame for flowering vines like morning glories, sweet peas, or black-eyed Susan vine. Plant the vine at the base and train the tendrils onto the spokes. Within a month, the wheel is covered in green and blooming. What was a piece of scrap metal becomes a sculptural garden feature that looks like something from a high-end nursery. This is a DIY project that turns salvage into art. If you have space for 2 wheels, mount them at different heights for an even more dramatic effect. Now let me pause and ask you something. Of these first 7 ideas, which one could you actually see yourself doing this weekend? Tell me in the comments. I am asking because the gap between watching a garden idea and actually building it is where most beautiful gardens never happen. The comments section is where people share what they built from these videos, and those photos and stories inspire everyone else to start. Idea number 8. The shoe organizer vertical garden. An over-the-door shoe organizer made of fabric or clear plastic is one of the most efficient small space gardening tools ever invented. Hang it on a sunny fence, the side of a shed, or even a balcony railing. Each pocket holds about a quart of soil, enough for a single herb plant, a strawberry plant, a compact lettuce variety, or a small annual flower. Fill each pocket with good potting mix. Tuck in your plants or seeds, and water from the top. The water trickles down through each level. What was a blank wall becomes a lush vertical garden in under an hour. This is perfect for apartment balconies, small patios, and anyone who has run out of horizontal space. The clear plastic pockets act like tiny greenhouses, warming the soil and protecting young roots. This is a cheap, creative container garden that costs about $5 and produces fresh herbs and greens for months. Idea number 9. The ladder plant stand. Old wooden ladders are everywhere. Curbside on trash day, leaning against barns at farm sales, tucked in the back of garages. A ladder that is no longer safe to climb is still perfectly useful as a plant stand. Prop it against a fence or a sunny wall. Lay wooden planks across the rungs to create wide shelves. Arrange your potted plants at different heights. Herbs on the top rung where they get the most sun. Trailing flowers on the lower rungs where they can spill over the edges. Coleus or ferns on the middle rung, where they are shaded slightly by the plants above. The ladder creates instant vertical interest and turns a random collection of pots into a deliberate tiered display. This is rustic, cottage-style garden decor at its finest, and it costs nothing if you salvage the latter. A quick coat of outdoor paint or stain transforms even the rattiest old ladder into a beautiful focal point. Idea number 10, painted rock garden markers. This is the easiest idea on the list, and one of the most charming. Smooth river rocks cost a few dollars a bag at any garden center or craft store. Choose rocks that are flat and wide enough to write on. Paint the surface with a solid coat of outdoor acrylic paint in a light color. Let it dry. Then use a fine brush or a paint pen to write the names of your herbs and vegetables: basil, rosemary, tomato, pepper, mint. Add small decorative details: a tiny leaf, a little flower, a delicate vine along the edge. Seal each rock with a clear outdoor spray to protect your work from rain and sun. Place the finished markers at the base of each plant in your garden. They add personality and color to your beds. Unlike wooden labels, they will not rot or fade or blow away in a storm. A set of 10 markers costs under $5 and makes your garden feel organized and loved. This is a simple creative project that even children love to help with. Idea number 11. The gutter garden. Old rain gutters are often available for free from home renovation projects or salvage yards. Mount a length of gutter horizontally along a sunny fence or the side of your house using simple brackets. Fill it with potting soil and plant shallow-rooted crops. Lettuce, spinach, radishes, and strawberries all thrive in gutters because their roots do not need much depth. The long, narrow shape is perfect for succession planting. Start seeds at one end, then plant another row a week later, and another a week after that. You will have a continuous harvest from a single gutter. This is one of the most efficient edible garden setups for small spaces. It keeps your greens off the ground where slugs and snails cannot reach them. It turns an unused vertical surface into productive growing area. This is sustainable gardening at its most practical and space-saving. Idea number 12. CD wind chimes. Old CDs and DVDs are sitting in drawers and boxes in millions of homes, never to be played again. Give them a second life in your garden. String several CDs together at different heights using fishing line or thin wire. Hang them from a tree branch, a porch beam, or a shepherd's hook. The reflective surface catches sunlight during the day and creates tiny rainbows that dance across your garden. When the breeze moves them, they make a soft, gentle clinking sound. It is not loud or annoying. It is subtle and soothing. These wind chimes add movement, light, and sound to your outdoor space for free. They are especially beautiful near a seating area where you can enjoy the play of light on a sunny afternoon. This is a whimsical, eco-friendly idea that costs nothing and takes 10 minutes. Idea number 13. The pallet compost bin. A compost bin does not need to be a $100 plastic barrel from a garden center. 3 wooden pallets, stood on their sides and lashed together at the corners with wire or heavy-duty zip ties, create a perfectly functional 3-sided bin. The open front allows you to turn the pile with a pitchfork and access finished compost from the bottom. Fill it with kitchen scraps, grass clippings, shredded leaves, and spent plants from your garden. In a few months, you have rich, dark compost that feeds your soil for free. This is the ultimate sustainable garden idea. It turns waste into garden gold. It costs nothing if you find free pallets. It closes the loop on your garden's nutrient cycle and reduces what you send to the landfill. Idea number 14. Terracotta pot people. Small terracotta pots are available at dollar stores and garden centers for pocket change. Flip one upside down so the base becomes a head. Paint a face with outdoor acrylics. Add a little hat by gluing a smaller pot or a saucer on top. Stack that head on a larger upright pot painted as a body with buttons, a collar, or a floral dress. Glue everything together with strong outdoor adhesive. These whimsical characters stand guard on porch steps, peek out from flower beds, or sit on a patio table as a centerpiece. No two ever turn out the same. Each one has its own personality. This is the kind of creative garden decor that makes people smile when they visit. It costs a few dollars per figure and turns plain terracotta into something memorable. Kids and grandkids love helping with this one. Idea number 15. The cinder block bench. Cinder blocks are one of the most underrated building materials in garden design. They cost a couple of dollars each at any hardware store. Stack them in 2 short columns, 3 blocks high. Thread 2 sturdy wooden beams 4x4s work perfectly through the holes in the top blocks to create a simple bench. Add cushions or leave it rustic. The blocks themselves have holes that can be filled with soil and planted with succulents, herbs, or small flowers. The bench becomes a planter and seating in one. This is budget-friendly, industrial chic garden furniture that costs a fraction of what a store-bought bench would run. It is perfect for a patio, a porch, or tucked into a quiet corner of the garden where you want a place to sit and enjoy what you have built. There you have it, 15 ideas, every single one of them built from materials that were free or nearly free. Tin cans and glass bottles and wooden pallets and old ladders, broken pots and plastic bottles and bicycle wheels and shoe organizers. None of these required a trip to an expensive garden center. None of them needed special skills or expensive tools. They just needed someone with the creativity to see what something could become instead of what it was. The most beautiful gardens I have ever seen were not the ones with the biggest budgets. They were the ones where someone looked at a pile of salvaged materials and saw a canvas. I want to hear from you. Which of these 15 ideas are you going to try first? And what material do you already have sitting around that you are going to repurpose? Tell me in the comments. Your project might be the one that inspires someone else to finally start theirs. If you want more garden ideas that treat your creativity as the real resource, subscribe to Timeless Gardening. Until next time, go make something beautiful out of nothing.